video, we are going to take a 0 to 3 months baby shirt, and I've already cut it off, we're going to make a dog dress out of this. I'm going to embroider the name, and then as I go, we'll come back. Alright, we're getting our machine ready. And we've already fixed our shirt on the embroidery hoop. So I'm going to place it on there. Before embroidering the little baby shirt, I decided to go ahead, instead of I'm going to put her name on it, but I decided to go ahead and make a heart patch, and I will sew this onto the shirt. Okay, we have this little piece completed. I do need to straighten this cut up a little. Get it as straight as we can. It's just you can't leave this bottom on when you are putting it on the embroidery machine. And I won't bore you with the details, but we're going to take this part now. This can actually be used for making drapes. It's just trim. But we're going to cut off 3 layers of this. It's going to be gathered, and there'll be 3 layers sewn onto this shirt. So we'll do that now. Okay, we gathered some of this up. Although my dog's name is Lillian, this is not for my dog. This I will need at least 2 layers, but I'm going to look at it. I may put 3. So once I get it measured, we'll come back. Now that we have our first layer on, we'll go back through and put our second layer underneath here. So that's how it'll look. I'm going to put 2 layers instead of 3. The second ruffle has been attached, and I folded up and stuck a piece of elastic in the back. Now, like I say, this is just to show you that you can take these baby sleepers and make a dog dress or dog clothes out of them. If I was actually doing this for someone as if to sell, then it would be completely different in the sense that I would make sure that all the threads matched, and I would have turned this part actually the right way. Just different little things I would have done. But this is just a giveaway, so I'll finish it and then I'll come back. Okay, this has been finished. As you can see, we've gone back and put little bows on it. We did tack the sides. If you don't, it will ride down on the dog's body. So, like I say, this has many flaws in it, but it's just for the sake of showing you that you can make dog clothes out of infant clothes, or even older children. You can cut them down and make them. So, this was only for the purpose of this video. So, I thank you for watching.